we made a fire that lasted. It's at Lake Louise, Alaska. Lake Louise area. Because this is a pond. And Lake Louise is that way. Drinking water. Some driving. I didn't want to drink. So beautiful night sky. It's about 9 o'clock. September 10th, 2022. Alaska. Alaska, as my cousin would say, from New York. Yay, I made fire. That lasted longer than 5 minutes. Again, waiting for a moose or caribou or both. You can get both. You got a bull moose, and a bull caribou. Bull moose has to have a 50-inch rack. That's Lake Louise Road. It's about 4 hours drive from Lost Anchorage. Just wanted a crackling fire. Oh, camping. I'm gonna be sleeping in the truck in the passenger side. I'm uploading this with AT&T, not a sponsor. Wish they would. Road hunting for moose. Thought I heard something. I think it was the car. There's a moth. It's going to raging fire. Add more sticks to it. Roaring fire there. A lot of spruce in there. I'll go add some more. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'm trying to build my channel. Later from Lake Louise area of Alaska. In the south central region of Alaska. Quinakbuk, as we say in my language. I'm a Nipuk Eskimo. My mom's from Barrow. My dad's from Corning, New York. Have a good day. Thanks for watching.